Really, tita. Di ba your family used to be in Ermita, tita?
Dito.
Ha?
That's where.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayan, may ilaw na.
There you go. Thank you. Now we can see.
Now you can
clearly.
see.
And then if you want a slice of my food, you can also get. If you want.
If there's enough to share, baka you say, that's enough. One bite. You look at it first. Have bread, have something. You know, your eyes are almost 20/20. Yeah.
As long as the food. Because hindi mag-compare ang food ng Manila and Cebu.
You're the big guy. Here, tita. Excuse me, sabi ko sa steak. Tuna steak. Tuna, yeah, that's her.
Now ko lang naintindihan yung word na Rico, Kerico.
Dito na lang. How delicious.
Delicious
how-
pala yung meaning nun. Because I don't know Spanish, di ba tita? So I was studying sa online ng Rico or Kirico pala is delicious.
Delicious, yeah.
Kasi nasa I'm
Lamp-
trying to study it every day. Para maintindihan ko si Kingsley at si kayo kapag ano.
Ay,
Yeah, for sure.
Pwede, here na. Dito ka mag-play. Oh!
Diba? Kasi yung ilaw. Okay, let's eat.
And then here.
Tita.
Get stuck here makes me come. Eh? So I hope you can enjoy that. Bueno,
Paano mo yung
Okay, let's eat. Hi.
Hello.
Diba? Lakas makabata.
food? Tita, we were just there
Ang ganda niyan,
outside.
tita, close up sa when
how
you...
many floors is that?
He's so nice. Yeah.
Kingsley, mag-solo
Hindi
for...
naman in Shangri-La, you have to walk like how many meters pa. Not welcome.
Joy. I'm here to enjoy it because I have enough stuff. Now, I will admit I bought something today at Rockwell Plant.
Apo, ready na po.
Hi.